In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a Tickmill account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to tickmill.com/EU or NA if you're an American citizen. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see welcome to new Tickmill, and you'll have access to over 600 plus of CFDs, including forex, commodities, and all of these other things. From here, we'll need to create an account. And you can see here, you can either start trading, you could try a demo account, or you can go up here to create an account. And if you click create an account, we are going to go into this page right here. Here you can see you can start trading in a few simple steps, where you'll need to select an account type, either individual or corporate. Corporate is if you have a LLC or anything like that, like a company. But if you are individual, you just need to click that and click proceed. From here, you'll need to add in your title and name, either Mr. or Mrs., first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and whether or not you are a US citizen. If you click you're a US citizen, you will also be asked if you have some documents about your US citizenship. From here, when you click next, you'll go over and add in your country of residence, and down here you'll need to add in your legal entity. And here you can see I'll only have to choose Tickmill Europe, and that's because I didn't tick off I'm a US citizen. From here you can select the product, which is the forex or CFDs, and down here you'll add to privacy policy, where you'll agree to the privacy policy and click next. From here you'll need to add in your phone number and email address and your personal preferences of language. Once all of this is filled out, you'll simply click next and go on to the next step. Here you can see you need to verify your email within 72 hours, and once you've done that, you'll go into the appropriation test. From here, you can see required step, complete the appropriation test, and here you need to click proceed to the test. And here you need to add in the personal information of level of education, where you can choose either of these options right here, your employment status and nature of business, your name of employer, and lastly position of employment. From here, you'll just need to click next, and here you'll need to add in a gross annual income in Euro or USD, depending on where you live, and here you can click either one of these. Here you need to add in your saving and investment, including main residence. You'll need to add how much you expect to deposit in the next 12 months in Euro. You'll need to add in the source of your investment fund and click next. From here, you'll be asked several questions. Over the past 12 months, how often have you traded CFD on FX, commodities, and indices? And here you just need to click here, and if available, please upload any documents, and you can do that later in the test. Over the past 12 months, how often have you traded derivatives? Just click here. What are you trading objectives? Just answer all of these truthfully. And then, have you ever traded CFDs with another company? Have you ever worked in a financial service? Have you ever any economic or professional qualification? And if you click yes, you need to provide more information, but this is optional. Here you just need to click next, and then Tickmill will ask you some investment knowledge. And here you can add in if you have any positions and your funds are not sufficient to maintain your trade, what can a firm do? And the firm may allow 3 business days. Here you'll also be asked what will be required margin, 1 lot, 100,000. If your leverage is 1 out of 100, that's $1,000, and you'll just need to answer these correctly, and then click submit. From here, you'll be asked to upload some documents on yourself, and then once you've done that, you'll be reviewed, and when the review is done, you'll have access to your Tickmill account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!